Baking Basics. Mastering Bake at 350 degrees. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to explore a phrase that's as delicious as it sounds: bake at 350 degrees. Whether you're a budding baker or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video will give you the lowdown on what this phrase means and how you can use it. So, let's preheat our learning oven and get started. Bake at 350 degrees is a common instruction found in many baking recipes. But let's break it down. Bake refers to a method of cooking food using prolonged dry heat, usually in an oven, without direct exposure to a flame. This method is widely used for bread, cakes, pastries, and much more. In this context indicates a specific condition or state, which is the temperature. 350 degrees specifies the temperature at which the baking should occur. Unless otherwise noted, this is understood to be in Fahrenheit, degree F, in the United States and a few other countries. In most of the world using Celsius, degree C, this would roughly translate to about 180 degrees. This phrase instructs the cook to set their oven to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius, before placing their food item inside to bake. You might wonder, why is 350 degrees such a magic number in baking? Well, it's considered a moderate oven temperature that achieves a great balance between cooking the inside of most baked goods and creating a delicious golden brown exterior. This temperature is versatile enough to bake a wide range of items from cookies to cakes, making it a go-to for many recipes. When you come across bake at 350 degrees in a recipe, here's what you should do. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. It's crucial to allow the oven to reach this temperature before placing your item inside, ensuring even cooking. 2. Prepare your baking dish or pan as the recipe directs, often involving greasing or lining with parchment paper. 3. Place your item in the oven once it's preheated. The cooking time will vary based on what you're baking, so always follow the recipe's guidelines. 4. Keep an eye on your oven. Some ovens may run hotter or cooler than the set temperature, which can affect baking times and outcomes. Achieving perfect results when baking at 350 degrees can depend on a few key tips. Always preheat your oven to ensure it's at the right temperature before baking. Consider using an oven thermometer to verify your oven's accuracy, as some ovens can be off by a significant margin. Remember that baking times can vary depending on the size and type of your baking dish, as well as your oven's peculiarities. We hope this video sheds some light on what it means to bake at 350 degrees, and helps you feel more confident in tackling recipes that call for this instruction. Baking is not just an art but also a science, and understanding these small details can make a big difference in your culinary adventures. Happy baking, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.